Welcome back to Doris and Daddy Off-Road. Today we're talking about rough country shackle relocation brackets.
Hey, that's my Jeep.
Welcome back to Doris and
Anna.
Off-Road. Today we are going to show two different ways to use these brackets.
We both have them on our Jeeps, but she used longer shackles.
And she just chopped them up to make room for the factory shackles.
Either way, the brackets were easy to install.
It probably took less than the 2 hours the instructions suggested.
Well, at least before we decided to cut them. We took the last 2 holes off so we wouldn't have to buy longer shackles.
Because we didn't think of that, when Daddy put ours on, we ended up with more lift than we wanted. But we can let Daddy explain that part.
Talk!
the description on the website for the kit suggests that it will work with OEM shackles, but in the question and answer section down below, it actually says that it will not work with OEM shackles. From our experience, this seems to be the case. They are not compatible with factory shackles, at least without modification. When we installed the kit on our Jeep several years ago, we just went with a set of Daystar 1-inch lift shackles. After several years of use, you can see slight marks on the shackles where they rub on the brackets at full flex. But this solution added more lift than we really needed. When Anna's dad put the kit on their Jeep, he didn't want the extra lift that a longer set of shackles would give. So he decided to cut off the unused rear holes to allow the factory shackle to swing. As it turns out, the first cut wasn't enough.
Here's a video showing the shackle movement on our Jeep as it goes over a trail near our house.
Our Jeep on the same trail.
We both ended up with our shackles at about 45 degrees.
And we both had plenty of swing.
No matter how you decide to use it, this kit helps you get your angles right.
You might just need to do some cutting.
Thanks for watching!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! Welcome back to Doris and Daddy Off-Road. Today, you said last time, so.
Sometimes you make me want to pull all my hair out.